right, this will be the third video. April. She's been here for over an hour and she's still alive. Thank you, heaven. This is one special chicken. I'm gonna try to get some of this NutriCal into her. She's missing a leg, her whole leg. I believe, from what my friend shared with me, she said she found a snake, a copperhead snake in the coop, and it was trying to take one of the other chicks. There's no way that other chickens in that coop, even with the pecking order and fighting, there's no way this was from another chicken. I believe the snake got her by the foot, and this little chick fought for her life and lost her leg. And, you know, the injuries to her eye and everything, there's no telling where that came from. There's no way this came from chickens. This was the snake for sure. So, little girl. I'm keeping you warm here, okay? We're just gonna keep you so warm, but I need you to get some of this just for energy. There you go, good girl. Good girl. So she's got pain medicine in her already. She's got the first dose of antibiotics, liquid syringed into her beak as well. She was cleaned up with Bactine, antiseptic everywhere, the hole in her leg. There's no veterinarian in this area that would be seeing a chicken tonight, okay? No veterinarian in this area that will be seeing this chicken tonight. If she makes it through the night, well, I'm the Good Shepherd Natalie. I don't like to live with any negative connotative words of excuse. If, but, or just. She's clearly alive. And that's a miracle to me in itself. Definitely, this is from the snake. This is good to see she is getting this. This is a high calorie supplement. She needs to have nourishment. Not just warmth, not just an antibiotic, not just cleaned up. This little bird needs a lot. Once I get her all situated, I have set up next to my pillow on my bed a little cage with a heating pad in it. And I'm going to place her on that to sleep for the night, cover her up. And are you talking? Are you talking to me, honey? Good girl. She goes, this is so good. It's delicious. I know. You want me to clean your beak? I'll clean you up. Don't you worry. I know. And chickens, they're so clean. You know. I know you're in so much pain. I hope this Medicam, the pain medicine I gave her, I love having Medicam on hand for all animals. It is a very nice pain medicine. It doesn't knock any animal out. You know, it just takes that edge off very nicely. I'm so happy to see she's eating. I'm gonna keep talking because that's what I do as the Good Shepherd. And it is my voice that does keep, you know, such animals, all animals, listening and feeling my energy. Okay. I can't believe she's missing a leg. I'm still in such, I am in shock. I'm just gonna lay down for 1 second so I can get a little towel for my hand, okay? Oh, precious girl, precious, precious girl. I need to take another look here before I put you down for the night, okay? Oh, I know. Oh, that's not even covered up good. I need to get this covered up really good. She's missing a whole leg. She's missing a whole leg. And possibly an eye. We can look at all that stuff tomorrow. Okay, what I really want to do is keep you warm, okay? I know, I got you. I do have you, I promise, okay? Promise. Okay, I just need to get my scissors here so I can cut this, okay? All right, I'm gonna wrap this around. All I can say is I'm so grateful. You know, well, for my friend who brought April here tonight, I'm grateful for my friend because she reached out for help, number one, knowing that I'm not a veterinarian. And yet I have helped many of her birds. And this was from a snake. This bird survived. The snake. Ooh, I got you, I got you. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Shh, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Shh, it's okay. Are you okay? Okay? Shh, it's okay, you're okay. Shh, shh, shh. Okay, come here. You're okay. I know. Shh, shh, shh. Okay, okay. Okay. Good girl. Look at you spreading your wings for me. Good girl, good girl. Good girl. Okay? That's exactly what I need. Thank you. Oh. Oh. Good girl. I need this to be tight enough. Okay? But not too tight. I got you, okay? You're all right. Good girl. Thank you. Look at you helping me. Oh, you're such a good little helper. Let me get this a little bit tighter there, okay? Is that good? That probably feels somewhat good, having that pressure, right? But we also want you to have use of this leg. So let me just pull this up just a little bit. What a good girl you are. What a good girl. I know this, well, I don't know. I don't. I know it must hurt, but look at you helping me. You're literally helping me. Okay. So we got that into you, all right? I'm gonna get the surgical tape. I've got the heating pad set up. Let me run and get that really quick, okay? I don't know what the fuck you want, stupid cat. Get the fuck out of my face. Nub, I don't even know. Where did you go, Nub? Are you right there asleep in the dog bed? Good girl. Good girl. Okay, I can't even believe any of this. All right, so I couldn't find the tape. I need to get her down. And yet, at the same time, with me, it is important for the touch. Me holding her is the same warmth as a heating pad, and when accompanied with the energy that I am feeling for April, this precious chicken, young chick, it's all exuding from my being and going directly into her body from my hands, body, voice, everything. So it is important for me to hold her. I can't believe she's missing a leg. And she's singing. She's purring right now.